Often, it's important to set visibility rules for when certain pages or folders should be visible to what users in our app. As an example, I have a folder here that I want to only be visible to those with the agent user role. To do this, I'm going to toggle on edit mode. Click on the overflow menu next to the estate agents folder here and click on the visibility settings option. Here, I want to make it so that this folder is only visible to those users with the role agent. So if I toggle off edit mode right now, as I have the team admin user role and not the agent role, when I'm just looking at the app as a regular user, I no longer can see the estate agents folder here. I'd have to toggle on edit mode again to be able to see it as a builder. To check that I've set up my visibility rules correctly, I might want to preview as another user with that particular user role. So I'm going to choose Alexi here, who has the estate agent user role. And I can see when previewing the app as Alexi that he can indeed see the estate agents folder here. I'm going to stop viewing as Alexi for a second. Another thing we can do with visibility rules is exclude certain pages or folders from being visible to those with particular roles. So let's say I want to make it so that the pending properties here should not be visible to those with the agent role. Again, I'm going to click on the overflow menu and go to the visibility settings. And this time I want to say that users without the agent role should be able to see this page. So now if I go to preview as Alexi again, I can see that he no longer gets to see the pending properties page in the sidebar here. So far we've seen how to limit the visibility of certain pages and folders by user role, but we can also use custom visibility rules as well. So the final visibility rule I'm going to set up is on the active properties page here. I'm going to set up a custom visibility rule. So I'm going to go to the bottom of the visibility settings and click to add a new custom rule. Here we can make use of any parameters associated with the user. So the logged in user first name, for example. So in this case, I'm going to make it so that the active properties page is only visible to users whose first name is equal to Simon. So again, if I toggle off edit mode here, as I am logged in as myself, I'm able to see the active properties page. But again, if I preview as my friend Alexi, he no longer can see the active properties page or the pending properties page. All he gets to see is the overall all properties page and the estate agents folder as well. So that's how you can use visibility settings in your Noloco app to control which pages and folders are visible to what users.